Hello everyone, this is part 6 of ecosystem chapter, and in this part 6 we are going to learn about the topic ecological pyramids. We have gone through various type of food chains, and during explanation of food chain I have already discussed that the number, biomass and the energy of organisms, it decreases gradually from producer level to the consumer level. The number of individuals present or the amount of biomass synthesized, amount of energy stored at successive trophic levels in an ecosystem can be graphically represented in the form of pyramids. So an ecological pyramid can be defined as a graphic representation of the members or the biomass or the status of accumulated energy at each or at different trophic level in a food chain in an ecosystem. So the number, biomass and energy, when it is represented in the form of a graph, then it forms a shape of a pyramid which has a broader base and a tapering apex. So such pyramids are known as ecological pyramids. These are called ecological or Eltonian pyramids. First of all, or the first time the use of ecological pyramid was first described by Charles Elton in 1927. In the ecological pyramid, the producer forms the base and the final consumer occupies the apex. In any ecological pyramid, the producers are always present at the base of the pyramid, and producers are taken up by primary consumers, which are present here, then the secondary consumer, then the tertiary consumer and quaternary consumer. So the final consumer always occupies the apex while the producer are always present at the broader base. So three ecological pyramids are present in an ecosystem. These are the pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass and the pyramid of energy. Type of pyramids: ecological pyramids. Pyramid of numbers is there, pyramid of biomass is there, and the pyramid of energy is there. Now these pyramids can be upright, can be inverted. So pyramid of numbers, these are of both type, upright also and inverted also. In most of the ecosystem, grassland ecosystem is a upright pyramid, while in some of the tree ecosystem it is inverted, the pyramid of number. Pyramid of biomass can be both upright as well as inverted. Pyramid of energy is always upright. Why? Because the energy flow, as we have learned in the part 6, energy flow, only 1/10 of the energy is going to the next level, or only 10% of the energy present at the trophic level is going to the next trophic level. So there is always upright, there is always decrease in the energy at the successive trophic level, so it is always upright. And pyramid of energy, the example can be seen from the pond ecosystem. Pyramid of biomass can be upright and can be inverted. In most of the terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem, the upright pyramid of biomass can be seen. Inverted pyramid of biomass can be seen in marine ecosystem. Pyramid of number. Pyramid of number is usually upright. Pyramid of number is always upright. And the pyramid of number is actually the graphic representation of numerical strength of various population in different trophic levels per unit area of an ecosystem, with producer forming base, intermediate levels forming intermediate tiers, and apex formed by top carnivores. As we can see here, pyramid of number: primary producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. The number of individual is decreasing at each level. So it is usually upright. Pyramid of number: here's the upright grassland ecosystem pyramid, spindle shaped and inverted. In in predatory food chains, food chain in a grassland ecosystem or pond ecosystem, the pyramid of number is straight pyramid always. Here the size of the organism increases with each trophic level, from the producer level to the top carnivores level, while their number decreases in a food chain. So you can see here the grass number is 10,000. Primary consumer mice, the number is 10. The bird, the number is 1. So it is upright, number is decreasing. In a spindle shaped forest ecosystem, the spindle shaped pyramid is present, and the trees lesser in number. Then herbivores, deer and elephant, they are more in number. Then again the carnivores, tiger and lion, these are lesser in number. So this is a spindle shaped pyramid which is present in a forest ecosystem. Pyramid of number is inverted in case of the parasitic food chain, like the example of a oak tree. Oak tree is a producer and they support a large number of food eating birds. Food eating birds like sparrow and parrot, which in support or which in turn support a larger number of parasites like lice and bugs, and they support hyperparasites like bacteria and fungi. Also the actinomycetes. So hyperparasites such as bacteria, fungi, actinomycetes are the greatest in number and occupy the top of the inverted pyramid of numbers. So this is the example of the inverted pyramid of number which is present in a parasitic food chain. In a cropland ecosystem, crops are more in number. Yes, grasshoppers of feeding on crop plants are lesser in number. Crops, these are crops. Grasshopper, frogs feeding on grasshoppers. Then snake feeding on frogs. So you can see here this is the formation of a upright pyramid. Pyramid of number, crop to grass, the number is decreasing, number of individual is decreasing. So pond ecosystem, phytoplankton, then zooplankton, then fishes, then snake. The number in a pond ecosystem also decreases, is it upright. Pyramid of number in a single tree is spindle shaped, as we have seen in previous slide. And sometimes the pyramid of number is inverted. So pyramid of number is both inverted as well as upright. It is inverted in case of parasitic food chain. You must remember the type of pyramids in different food chains. Now the pyramid of biomass. Biomass refers to the total weight of living matter per unit area. And pyramid of biomass, it actually the graphic representation of the biomass, total amount of living or organic matter in an ecosystem at any particular time, represent per unit area in different trophic levels. So in an ecosystem, the biomass decreases from producer level to the consumer level. Pyramid of biomass of terrestrial ecosystem is upright. In case of terrestrial ecosystem, it is upright because at each successive trophic level, the biomass tend to decrease. When the biomass is decreasing at the different trophic level, then it must be upright. starting from the producer and ending in top consumer. And pyramid of biomass is inverted in case of aquatic ecosystem. In forest, the biomass of tree is maximum and the biomass of the top consumer is minimum. Plant, deer, fox, tiger plants, rabbit, fox, lion. Decrease in weight. Pyramid of energy. Pyramid of energy is always upright because there is reduction in energy at each tropic level. The energy flow in ecosystem is unidirectional or is from the producer level to the consumer level. At each tropic level, 80 to 90% of the energy is released. If we see a food chain, here are the plants, here are the primary consumer. As we have already discussed the energy flow in previous video, so here are the secondary consumer, now the tertiary consumers. The energy flow, there is 10% of energy is transferred at each tropic level. So the amount of energy transferring at each tropic level is decreasing with the successive tropic level. So it is always a upright pyramid in case of pyramid of energy. And this pyramid of energy, it gives the best picture of overall nature of the ecosystem. According to second law of thermodynamics, there is gradual decrease in energy at successive tropic levels. So therefore the pyramid of energy is always upright. Energy is highest at the producer level, going to be reduced at the or minimum at the top consumer level. 10% law, it was given by Linderman in 1942. Only 10% of the total energy stored in a tropic level is transferred to the next tropic level of a food chain. Tropic level 1, 2, 3. Here it is 500, then it will be 50, 10% of 500, then it will be 5 calories. So there is gradual decrease in the energy at the next tropic level of a food chain. So it is always upright. Here also the example is given. So this is all about the pyramid, ecological pyramid. Thank you so much.